Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how high quality is our product and the safety. You are using our product, you don't have to worry. You have a car, you have a motorcycle, you don't have to worry because it's really safe. Today I want to show you. Please, this one is not aquarium. I take this one just to show you how safe and high quality is our product. Light age 7. Okay, let me show you now. The products here, and we have water. Watch carefully. Show you how the best is this product. Really, I never see this kind of product. It's my first time to see how it works, how safe it is. Please watch it carefully. You have this one. Test it. It's magic. So you are using this product, you don't have to worry. It's very safe and the quality is very high. Even put it into water, it is still intact. So this light can stay into water for many hours. You don't have to worry because it is safe and high quality. You can see here. You have any questions, you want to know more about this product, please just write me and let me know. I will explain to you. And I will give the link, then you can find it on Amazon and AliExpress. The best light ever see before. Thank you guys for watching. Any question, don't forget to like and share. Thank you and see you later.